Hey guys, what's going on? It's Joe Burgess. Haven't done one of these for a while, and went out to tool haul today, and got a few things. Uh, then I picked up the central pneumatic portable air tank because I'm gonna need it later on today. So I figured I'd throw that in there as well because that counted as today. So let's get this thing started. So guys, a little running around today, and I actually picked up a few nice things. The middle here, we just got a few screwdrivers, couple of snap-ons, craftsman in the middle, and then over here on the left, an old a half-inch drive old ratchet made by Herbrand. What I found unique about this ratchet was up top here you have a selector switch. It's not a side swing. It actually actuates up and down. So if you go up, that's left position. If you go down, that's right position. So kind of neat. I seen this and I said I actually wanted to pick it up because it was pretty nice. So that was actually pretty nice pickup right there. Then a few other things here. I ended up getting a torch body. Top. I need the other half for the mixed bodies. You know, just for the bottom part, but like on a torch like this, so you get oxygen and fuel mixes right there. Then you cut your cut switch right there. So in your oxygen valve right here. So that's actually a little more uniform. The only thing that's missing on this one is just the cutting tip, which I'm gonna look around for. It's a Craftsman. This one I think is a Lincoln actually. I'm not 100% sure, but it was in pretty nice shape, and it actually came with some equipment. So I mean, came with the shading goggles and stuff like that. So it's pretty interesting. The money was right too. You wanted $10 for the body, and plus the the glasses came with the shades and stuff like that. So got 3 different styles. The end here, this is real old style welding goggles here. That's pretty old school. The middle's kind of newer, and then the back one's Jackson, which it actually has a flip up lens, and it came with I think 3 or 4 lenses. So hey, for $10 you couldn't beat that price. I couldn't beat that price at all. So that was actually one of the vendors. This is a Rain and Flea tool haul today. So the first one actually from the screwdrivers, that was a pretty cheap get too. Those are only, I think I was like 50 cents a piece on those, which is really good. So and then the other stuff too, like I got a small 1/4-inch extension, old school extension made in the U.S. That was part of that deal there with the welding stuff plus the ratchet. That was $15 for the whole shoot and nail. So that was a pretty good get right there, like I said. So plus the welding stuff, that was also a good deal. So you can always pick up that stuff a little later on. And then I don't have one of these sockets. Snap-on makes it. Once for caps. You got 24 on this side. You flip it around. It's actually a 36. And I want to say this is for oil cap top. So you usually get a set of them of 4 or 5 usually, but this one's just for a particular 2. a 36 millimeter, which is usually like a European, and 24. 24 is usually for like Ecotechs on Chevys and stuff like that. So that's you're gonna find that. So I picked that up from another guy. And then lastly, right here, some nice mechanics gloves. These are pretty nice to have. You get them on the cheap. Um, he was in a 10. He's a pretty good friend of mine. I buy from him a lot. He said $10. He said $7. I said okay, so I picked those up. And yeah, guys, that's just a quick tool haul for today. And I haven't done one of these in a little while. I figure I'd do one and maybe do a few more as the summer goes along. So you know, watch out for them. And like I said, I got some more videos coming up. So you know, a nice new fresh one tool haul for you. So yeah, guys, got more coming up. So keep on watching, and please subscribe. And look forward to you guys again. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot.